Hello, myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about variable use in a Python. Okay, so variable are container for storing data value. So it is a container which store data value. It may be integer, float value, string, etc. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore. So A to Z or 0 to 9 or underscore. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, A is equal to 7. So A, that is a variable, and 7, that is value assigned to A, assigned to variable. Okay. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. It is not start with digit. Okay. Now, for example, x is equal to 5. X, that is one type of variable, and value of x, that is 5. So if we print x, then output is 5. Then underscore y is equal to sign. So if we print underscore y, then output, that is psi. So variable, remember this one, a variable always start with alphabetic symbol or underscore. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same function, x is equal to 5, then print x and underscore y is equal to sign and print underscore y. And this bottom two line, that is comment line, because before starting of these two line, bottom two line, there is a comment symbol. So it is not executed by Python. It is not executed by Python interpreter. It is only readable line. So if we run this program, then output, that is for first one, x is equal to 5 and print x. So it is equal to 5. Then underscore y is equal to sign. Then print underscore y. It is equal to sign. Okay. A variable name cannot start with a number. Remember this one, huh? For example, 1, 2, 3, Z, it is equal to 6. And if we print out 1, 2, 3, Z, then we will get an error. Okay. So this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same program 1, 2, 3, Z, it is equal to 6 and print 1, 2, 3, Z. So if we run this program, then output, it is syntax error, because it is invalid syntax, because variable not start with a number. Okay. Then variable name are case sensitive. It means lowercase and uppercase have a different value. So this age and this age and this age are three different variable. It contains different value. So for example, x is equal to 1, and if we print x, this is small x, huh? So output, that is 1. And if capital X is equal to Sumit, and if we print capital X, then output is Sumit. So for small x, output is 1. For capital X, output is Sumit. Okay. And capital X will not override small x, because small x and capital X, this variable are different. Okay, now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same program, small x is equal to 1, print small x, capital X is equal to Sumit, print capital X, and if we run this program, then output, that is For small x, output is 1, and for capital X, output is Sumit. Okay, so variable are case sensitive. Okay, then variable do not need to declare with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. So for example, x is equal to 2. It means x variable contain integer value 2. Then x is equal to sign. Sign that is in between double quote. It means x is a variable which contain sign string. Then if we print x, then we get sign. Why not 2? Because small x is equal to 2, then small x is equal to sign. So small x overwrite first small x. Okay, and we get output that is last one, that is sign. So if variable are same, then output is last one. If variable are different, it means small x or capital X, then output for small x is different, capital X is different. But both are small x, then output is last one because second small x overwrite first small x. Okay, so if we print out x, then output is sign. Okay. If you want to specify the data type of variable, this can be done by typecasting. For example, x is equal to string 7. This 7 that is integer and we convert this integer into string by using str function. So if we print out x, then x will be 7 but that is in the form of string. It means single quote or double quote. Then y is equal to float 7. If we print out y, then y will be 7.0 float value. Okay, now the same program we run in a PyCharm. So x is equal to str of 7. It means string of 7. Then print x, we get 7 but in string form. Then y is equal to float 7 and print y, we get 7 but in float form. So if we run this program, then output that is for first one 7 but it is in the form of string. It means it is inside single quote or double quote. And if we print out y, then 7.0, it means y it is in the form of float number. Okay, you can get the data type of variable with type function. For example, x is equal to 3. So print type of x, then we get, then output is which type of value, that is 3. So class int, it is integer type. And y is equal to sign. If we print out type of y, then we get class is equal to string, because we know that string that is represented in between single quote or double quote. Okay. Now string variable can be declared either by using single or double quote. For example, A is equal to Johnny, that is in between double quote. If we print out A, then we get Johnny. So double quote are the same as a single quote. For example, A is equal to in the single quote Johnny. If we print out A, then again we get Johnny. So double quote are same as a single quote for string. Okay. Python allow you to assign value to a multiple variable in a one line. It is called assignment of many value to a multiple variable. For example, here A, B, C. A that is equal to orange, B is equal to banana and C is equal to cherry. If we print out A, then we get orange. If we print out B, then we get banana. If we print out C, then we get cherry. Okay. Then Python allow you to assign the same value to a multiple variable in a one line. It is called assignment of one value to multiple variable. For example, A, B and C, that is apple. So if we print out A, we get apple. If we print out B, output is apple. If we print out C, output is apple. It means same value to a multiple variable. A, B and C are multiple variable that contain same value apple. Okay. Then Python allow you to combine both text and a variable. Python use the plus character for this purpose. For example, A is equal to awesome. That is one type of string. Then print in the double quote Python is then plus A. So this awesome, this value transfer at the place of A. So if we run this program, then output is Python is awesome. Okay, so value of A, that is awesome, that is transfer at the point of A. Okay. For number, the plus character work is a mathematical operator. For example, A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, then print A plus B, that is equal to 50. Then Python will give an error if you will combine string and a number. For example, x is equal to 30, that is one type of number, and y is equal to Arman, that is one type of string. Then if we add this integer value and string, then there is a type error. If we run this program, then there is a type error because one value that is in the form of integer and one value that is in the form of string. Okay. Then variables that are created outside of a function are known as global variable. Outside of function. Global variable can be used by everyone both inside of a function and outside of a function. Like for example, y is equal to fast. This is global variable. Then definition of function, def, my function and parenthesis. Then print, deer can run very plus y. Then function calling my function parenthesis. So this y value that is fast, that is transfer at the point of y. So if we run this program, then output is deer can run very fast. Okay, so value of y that is transfer at the position of y. Okay, now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So y is equal to fast, that is global variable. Then def my function parenthesis print deer can run very plus y. So value of y transfer here, and if we call function my function calling, then if we execute this function, then output that is deer can run very fast. If you create a variable with same name inside a function, this variable will be local variable and can only be used inside the function. Okay. The global variable with the same name will remain as it was global and with the original value. For example, A is equal to awesome. That is one type of global variable. Then def my function parenthesis. Then A is equal to fantastic. So it is inside the function. So it is local variable. Then print Python is plus A. And then function calling my function. And then print Python is plus A. Okay. So this value of A, that is transfer here within function, and this value awesome, that is transfer here. So A is equal to awesome, that is global variable, okay, and A is equal to fantastic, that is local variable. So if we run this program, then output is, for first one Python is fantastic, and for second one Python is awesome. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So A is equal to awesome, def my function, parenthesis, A is equal to fantastic, print Python is plus A, then my function calling, and print Python is plus A. So A is equal to awesome, that is global variable, and A is equal to fantastic, that is local variable. So if we run this program, then output, that is, for first print statement, Python is fantastic, and for second print statement, Python is awesome. Okay. So this is about today lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about variable. Okay. So thank you for today lecture.